Right.
Edrume bi ho. Na nkofo ba Solomon ho.
Okay.
On said the name normal Bible nim no say Solomon Yankopon hira no man nyansa.
Sure.
Eno an yinim. But Roman 4 books no. Ye were extra books e ka ho. Your friend no the Apocrypha.
Okay.
Na Apocrypha ye 14 books eno ka we no ho. Roman 4 there no.
Sure.
Very deep. Nyoma bebre wom. Right. Ye were Tobit, ye were Sirach,
sure.
Ye were Maccabees, ye were Bell and Dragon. Omu nyina kyerɛkyerɛ nyoma ni bebree ɛwɔ hɔ. Aha. Oh. 5 minutes. Okay. Na emre bi nkɔfo baaye no mo se. Nkɔfo baaye no mo se. Ah. Solomon. Asa obiara se wonim nyansa dodo. Na asa yedi yesusu sɛ wonye nipa. Hini Solomon, wonye nipa. Asa umoja ye green. Odi asa ya anwo. Won se tore bia ye adwenya ne se bia despite munne nkofo bi wo ho a. Asa ya anwo mu. Asa omo ye soronko.
Omo de nyambo mu yi.
Enti o ye saa no na Solomon say, o Solomon sere. Na Solomon be kire de ema no eye soronko.
Sure.
Enti say wo kan Wisdom of Solomon. Wisdom of Solomon was apocrypha nim.
Sure.
It need the normal Bible nim.
Sure.
Sure. Into Wisdom of Solomon chapter 7. Yentie de Solomon ekaye. Because ni yebusa Solomon said then the ma wu Solomon wo da soronko. Me pesa wu me di tu wo fo Ghana ni a wutiem se wo ye nyame. Nyankopon bo wo se wo nso fa bi ka ho. Enti wo nkyai sebi. Mpanyifo ne esikafo na yenim mu no. The difference is the mindset. Into Solomon asema no okay yenko Wisdom of Solomon chapter 7 yenko.
Or say like every human being.
Into na Solomon na chire mu nkofo atwa ahia no say ohini Solomon chire yen ye ma wo da soronko. And na Solomon Wisdom of Solomon chapter 7 wo sha say so kasa.
Also like every human being.
Say onipa bia
I am mortal.
Me nso me ye onipa dasani.
Otimiwu.
Toaso.
I am a descendant of that first man.
Mama nyama adwen sa se me ye soronko da bi. Te sem wa me ye onipa mitimi wu. Me nso me free Adam ebusuam.
Sure.
Toaso.
Or say I am a descendant of that first man who was made from the soil.
Adam ye ni free anwea mu.
Or say I was conceived from the sperm of a man.
Toaso na hoye me.
In the
Solomon na chire Solomon.
Solomon.
Na Solomon person chire se oye nipa. Enti hwe de Solomon kan. Solomon say I was what?
Solomon
say
I was conceived from the sperm of a man.
Mean so bema hunsuo ne de wo mi Solomon.
In the pleasure of intercourse.
Mean ba me ne me papa hia ye ahwi wo mu ho. Emma, eba ne baaye. We ye bi Solomon nyam na kan sa aka biem.
Solomon anya mai.
Repeat Solomon.
I was conceived from the sperm of a man.
Me na Solomon person o chese wo nipa o.
Sure.
I was ye wo me.
Bema
hunsuo sa me papa hunsuo sa. Ye David.
Sure.
Hunsuo. One me maami na hia ye mre bia na bia. O makwa wiwi kakra.
No mo.
Ombedi agro won paso. Ombedi agro na pine Solomon me bae.
Israel for sunny ya.
That's right.
No say for 9 months.
Me so boso me nkron.
My flesh took shape.
Nti me so me da me nana me maami yem
in the blood of my mother's womb.
Boso me nkron.
When I was born,
me Solomon no.
I came into the world like anyone else.
The same thing now oba asaso fa oba se na wa pie no. Sa na me so me bai.
I began to breathe.
Me so me who means the same thing.
The same air we all breathe.
The same oxygen yai.
And like everyone else,
she said obiano.
The first sound I made was a cry.
Me so nge ni bia. Solomon e kana say to aso.
The first sound I made was a cry. I was wrapped in cloth and cared for.
Me baby careful. Solomon na cheche mu no. Because no me say Solomon yesronko ya anwono mpo oba anwono ofri wiem ne bai. And no cheche say there be me nipa te say me na nane Adam ye wo me the same thing. Me bai me suye ye jeje me so ubedi koko junior ubedi koko ye wo sa
no king ever began life differently.
Ohini bia na sikani bia ni wa wo share abrabo ase soronko.
For all of us, there's one way into life. And there's one way out.
The same thing.
Ubi abefem.
Into your hine uye sikania. Ekwan fa so wo. Ekwan befa so asie no. The same thing. Nemom Solomon kyerɛ die nti a ɔyɛ soronko. Yɛhwɛ chapter 7 no.
Adeɛ ba ko bi na aso wanka ana ɛwɔ careful no. So ɔnom no fo.
Ɔnom yɛ.
Okay. Eti menko 7 no.
7 no.
Okay. Or say realizing that I was only a man.
Nanti wey na Japan ni China for na hu. Japan ni China ni US ni Finland for ni Germany for no. Solomon said,
I prayed and was given understanding. The spirit of wisdom came to me. I regarded her more highly than any throne. Wealth was nothing compared to her. Or say precious jewels could not equal her worth.
Gold no.
Suche gold.
Nyansa suche gold.
Ko nim nyansa no wajimi abenya gold kramfa so ma so. Beside wisdom, all the gold in the world is a handful of sand.
Repeat to homami. Repeat to homami.
Yeah,
Solomon no. Say minya nyansa no. Minya nyansa na me penyansa ko nyansa no mo du change.
Sure.
Gold.
Sure.
Because bibi wo ho. Wasi beside it.
Beside wisdom. All the gold in the world is a handful of sand.
Se unim nyansa ana sebi wajimia. Se unhu sikakokwa ebeya wo te se anwea. Ghana ha, wan mu ne kasa ha gold coast.
Abrofu yo mbe humai. Ye anso your crack ye boni din se.
Before then no.
Sure.
Na enim say gold coast.
There be.
Ye enim say anwea. Meboa. Ye nananom ehun se gold no e ya anwea.
Sure.
Nti Solomon say se sebi wajimia. Unhu sikakokwa
behu ne sa anwea. Ampasu say dey gold ti. So horo ho na shine no wehu.
Nti what is the concept? Solomon concept of person cheni nyina say. Oyi nipa. Obompae eno nya nyansa. Nyansa na wonyaye no. E de ahonyade bebre bai.
Sure.
It is about when nyansa na mompa ma nyankopon andum nyansa. E na e wo adwen say de bia te say okopa bosia.
Sure.
E na ye wo adwen say wo asase pa. Enso te say de bia wo kokra nto so firi Burkina.
Obetna sika so na kombedo.
Obetna sika so na China for no atu.
My God is.
Nyansa na wuni nintina ekaboma na afi waye galamse no ase wunsu. Wabra China na no pe na mehwe bibi wo ha. Je fato so mame. China for
sure.
Ometimi enya gold deposit. Hwe ne bo. What is galamse wo China?
Enso omu tu gold.
Enso omu so omenya gold foforo.
Wow.
Me de ehon statistics ba be kiro. Me de ehon statistics ba be kiro.
So ma betu ye de no a na esi o manya o de. Enti on be ma ye kwan ba ye bi wo.
Because Solomon say unim nyansa obehu se gold ne ye anwea. Na hwi ene ne hwe.
Jackpot again. China claims another massive gold discovery months after $83 billion fine.
Already, no, omenya $83 billion gold
dada.
Dada. And the recent one no cry $80 billion gold. China fool. Omukro mu hono. Esan so mo de wisdom ye adwuma ntino. Omatimi aye. Oyen so mo hu so we Nyankopon ma ntino. Omatimi a practicalize etimi aye exploration and hu se gold 83 billion. Na no. You see asenya 80 billion hwe.
Wow.
Super giant. Gold deposit may be worth over $80 billion.
That's getting to about 163 now.
18 March 2025. March ya. And na China for timienya omo say gomu tu sa gold na. $80 billion. Omo beja itu omo ntu.
Omo betu ye hard. Odin di asie.
And Solomon say without wisdom all the gold will be seen as dust. Se nyanse ni ho a obehu gold ni nyina te se anwea.
Sure.
just a China ni ne beka cho say manso nkwanta manso adubia gold wo ho
your problem
gold wo ho
wow
so think about it
ai benivoi enwene hu biem
oye nyankopon oye nyame
ne pese ye no betumi abam
ba aka de aka
nyansa no
ameni Bishop Joshua